Good day to everyone. This presentation is all about the communication process of two ships and also personal communication when a vessel is under distress. Also, this presentation features a communication between a ship and a port. So let's start by engine officer.
Engine to bridge, engine to bridge, engine to bridge. We are experiencing engine malfunction. Over.
Affirmative, affirmative, affirmative. Engine, I will coordinate with the captain with your regard to this situation. Over. Captain, we have engine failure. I've switched the steering. Run, follow up, sir. There is a vessel near us at this moment.
Third mate, helmsman, go to this emergency steering position. The engineer will be waiting for you there.
Third mate speaking, third mate speaking. Chip, why have you lost the steering? What is the reason for engine failure? Over.
I am not sure. I think the steering motor has failed.
Okay, sir. I will coordinate with the captain up the bridge. The helmsman and I are at the emergency steering position. The engineers are ready to change over the page, sir. Disengage depth. What is your course? Over.
5 degrees to starboard. What is your course? Over. My course is Bachelor of Science in.
We have isolated number 1 motor and it will not restart. We are checking number 2 motor. We expect to change. Back to the bridge control in about 10 minutes. Over.
Copy that, Chief. Inform me as soon as you're ready for the changeover. Yet, I will coordinate to the vessel approaching nearby at this moment. Over.
Helmsman, take the wheel.
All crew on board, we are going to hoist flags signaling for distress. I repeat, to all crew on board, we are going to hoist flags used for distress. Over.
Nautical flags. November over Charlie. A November over Charlie flag means that the vessel is in distress. So once it is raised, it indicates that the vessel is under distress. A delta flag is raised when a vessel is having difficulty in maneuvering. Once you see this flag, a vessel indicates that it is having trouble maneuvering towards a specific area or having trouble to maneuver out of your way. So a victory flag is raised when a vessel requires assistance.
Mayday, mayday, mayday. This is MV driven. This is MV driven. This is MV driven. MMSI 1-800 592 1-800 592 1-800 592 call sign Delta Uniform Delta Zulu Delta Uniform Delta Zulu Delta Uniform Delta Zulu. My position is 050 degrees 41 minutes north, 001 degrees 39.6 west. Keep clear of me. I am with difficulty. I repeat, I'm maneuvering with difficulty. We need an immediate assistance. 100 VHF on channel 16. I am carrying out maneuvering trials. Mayday.
MV driven. This is MV Harold. This is MV Harold. This is MV Harold. MMSI number 234567891. MMSI number 234567889. Number 234567891. Approaching vessel as well. I will alter course on starboard so we can keep clean your maintain your speed.
Copy your last. Port service. Stand by channel 16 and 12. Out.
So once
Motor
MV
vessel,
Driven has steered clear out of the way of MV Harold, it is now proceed to the port.
motor vessel driven. This is a port service. Go ahead. Over.
Copy your last. Port service. Stand by channel 16 and 12. Out.
What is
MV
your
driven.
maximum? What is your maximum depth drop and destination? Over.
Port service. My maximum deepest drop is 8 meters, and my destination is Singapore. Over.
Driven, are you trimmed by the head or astern? Over.
Port service, I am trimmed by the stern. 1.5 meters. Over.
Driven, do you have any list? Over.
Port service, I have a list to port of 1 degree. Over.
Driven, is it safe to navigate? Over.
Driven, your message understood. Port service, it is safe to navigate. Over.
Driven, your message understood. Standby by 1016 and 12. Over.
Copy your last. Port service, standby channel 16 and 12. Out.
MV driven, MV driven, MV driven. This is pilot call sign Hotel Sierra Foxtrot. Call sign Hotel Sierra Foxtrot. Call sign Hotel Sierra Foxtrot. We have already started our descent procedure into our destination Singapore. MV driven, coordinate with port service for dropping the anchor. Over.
Copy that, sir.
Affirmative, Captain.
Port service, this is motor vessel driven. Motor vessel driven. Motor vessel driven. Over.
Motor vessel driven, this is a port service. Motor vessel driven, this is a port service. Motor vessel driven, this is a port service. Go ahead. Over.
Port service, I drop anchor at pilot station bearing 108 degrees, distance 2.8 miles from Bravo Lighthouse at 100 hours local time. Over.
Motor vessel driven, we cut your message. Standby channel 12 for the next instruction. Over.
Copy that, port service.
Motor vessel driven, motor vessel driven. Motor vessel driven. This is pilot as port service for averting instructions. Over.
Affirmative, sir. Port service, this is motor vessel driven. Motor vessel driven. Motor vessel driven. Channel 12. Channel 12. What are my berthing instructions, sir? Over.
Motor vessel driven, motor vessel driven. Your orders are to get alongside at Newberg 3 per 1500 hours. Local time. Over.
Port service, copy your last. I will alter the pier. Arrives.
Motor vessel driven. Standby channel 16 and 12. Over.
Copy your last. Port service, standby channel 16 and 12. Out.
Ano,